Kumbajulong Manlau Snem ka Office of District Sport Officer DSO Ripoh District ka Jupulong ya kalumpung ya kai sport jong ki school baper ka district level inter school athletic meet kum kawai nak sinjam ban se madan ya kirang bat ki the lakai ki bakan sai badru ban plilat plilenti ya ki bakin yo ban se madan ela ki sap ki phong manta kasngi kane ka office ka lakni perdano ya ka district level inter school athletic meet arja ka khandai hakaba lawan bempli dau ba Meral Bonds MLA kan po konstituensi kumu kongsan hakajinga don langru dau DSO ba PM Marbanyang lem bar ka kong VA nyota kabade ka EAC Ripoh District yakane kalumpung ilakai sport jong ki school lasdang mentakas ngi hakamadan ilakai jong ka NSCA mini stadium Palms hakaba la sakhiru ba mentau snem ka jingpoi bani simenta jong ki school hakane kalumpung ilakai kalanang kiu hakaba baro kidon hadu arfu arteli ki school na kaleng saudong jong Ripoh District ki balawan simenta hakane kasngi bala pli perdano ikane lempung ilakai sport jong ki school kinong peniat jong kane ka sport meet kila pen ilakai ya shibun teli ki jing ilakai ki bakentup ya ka 100 meter race 200 meter race 800 meter race 1500 meter race shot put high jump long jump bat kiwi ki jing ilakai na kamta ki khna kanthe wa chenrang haki kerdan ki bahapo ka khatsau khat rewa khandai snem.
Very proud moment for every one of us where this sports department under the leadership of the district sports officer, they have been organizing athletic meets every year, inviting different schools representing different locality, different area of Ripoh District. We are very happy to see this morning all the students with your energy, with your hope, with your aspiration that you are gathered here together this morning to achieve your goal. This is a very important moment to each and every one of you. When you represent your school, it is a moment that you have to remember that you have to do your best, that you have to give everything you have, all the talent, all the quality that you have to perform here. This is the platform that you will deliver to show yourself that you are the best, representing from all the schools in the Ripoh District. I am very glad here to see from year to year the skill showing by different students representing different schools, that we have witnessed that the talent, the hidden talent that the school children they're getting this platform to show, and they can represent and prove themselves to be the best. Dear student, apart from concentrating in academic life to do well in your studies in school, it is very important that each and every one of you will have special interest in sports, because sports, to being fit, we have to have interest in sports. Sports, be it athletics, be it a footballer, be it the player who plays badminton or basketball, and so on. Then this interest, it has to be there in you, and we hope that this platform, which has been organized by the district sports officer, will hope that it will bring students, and at the same time students representing different schools. You will bring glory and laurel to your school. Here we have our beloved teachers, we have the school representing in this event, and we wish them all the best, to the students, to the teachers fraternity, and everybody who have a great role to play to make this event a successful one. Last but not least, as a representative, we always used to discuss with the official of the sports department that we will have a frequent event in different area. Just now we have discussed with DSO, Pak Marwania, that this event is not represented by different area, different locality, different school overall of Ribhoi. There are certain areas which are very far from Nongpor. It is difficult for them to come here due to travel expenses, very far from the district headquarters. So we will move together as a representative with the sports department. We'll try to get as much financial assistance so that this kind of event, it can be conducted in different areas, like Kotharma, or like in Mahoti area, or in Boirambong area. Maybe there's so many schools are left out because of the distance from our district headquarters. So we'll try our level best to talk with the sports department so that we can organize events like this in the future.